Hey everyone, Yolandi here, and today at Bake Bottle Cook I'll be showing you how to make a delicious homemade mayonnaise. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade mayonnaise with a twist by adding herbs and garlic. It's super easy, fresh and perfect for sandwiches, salads or as a dip. Let's get started. I'll take you through all the ingredients, and if you're looking for the recipe, I'll be placing it in the description below. So first we're going to add our egg to our container. We're making this with a stick blender today. You can also make it in a food processor, but I'd like to show you this very easy way. So add our egg. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. 1 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So to this we've added our egg, garlic, mustard and lemon juice. By adding just these ingredients, we are helping the stick blender work more efficiently. Next we're going to add our olive oil. For a mayonnaise, it's always best to use a good quality oil. So use a grapeseed oil, avocado oil, olive oil. I like to use a seed and extra virgin olive oil. 1 cup of oil. So we're just going to give it a minute or two to rest so that the oil can separate from the rest of the ingredients and the rest of the ingredients can drop down to the bottom. Now place your stick blender at the bottom of the container. Slowly. We start blending on a slow speed and then we gradually increase. As the mixture starts to emulsify and thicken, we slowly lift the blender so that we can incorporate all the oil. Okay, so there's a mayonnaise, but let's add our herbs. And give that a quick blend. So the garlic that we've added will give it a nice kick and the herbs will bring out a flavorful element. So once we're done, we can just add our salt and our pepper. Just a little bit of salt to taste. Add some pepper. And there you have it, homemade mayonnaise with herbs and garlic. It's so much better than store-bought mayonnaise, and you can customize it with any herb that you prefer. I've used parsley today, but in the past I've used basil, I've used dill and rosemary, and they were all delicious. Sometimes I even add some of my fermented lemon brine, and it just keeps it for longer in the fridge. So it's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or dips. So let's give it a try. So fresh and flavorful. Such a creamy mayonnaise. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And also subscribe to this channel for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see, so we can work on more videos for you. Thank you for watching and happy cooking. Enjoy the mayonnaise that you'll be making.